Welcome to the Honest Review Hub channel. Today we're diving into the top 7 air fryers of 2025 that will level up your cooking game. You lot think you can cook, you think you know your way around a kitchen? Well, listen up, because these machines are about to change the game. We're talking crispy, crunchy perfection, all while using less oil than a bloody salad. Get ready to ditch that deep fryer, because things are about to get a whole lot healthier without sacrificing flavor. As usual, links to all these products will be in the description below. Right, you lot. First up is the Philips Premium Air Fryer XXL. This isn't just any air fryer, it's the king of air fryers. This beast of a machine is for those of you who like to feed an army. Whether you're hosting a big family dinner or a party with friends, this air fryer has got you covered. It's got a massive capacity, enough to fit a whole chicken or enough chips to satisfy a family of 4. Imagine cooking an entire meal in one go without having to juggle multiple pots and pans. And don't even get me started on the fat removal technology. This isn't just a gimmick, it's a game changer for anyone looking to eat healthier without sacrificing flavor. This thing extracts fat from your food like it's nobody's business, leaving you with guilt-free, crispy goodness. You can enjoy your favorite fried foods without the extra calories. You'll be amazed at how much fat this thing sucks out. It's like liposuction for your dinner. Seriously, you won't believe your eyes when you see the results. If you're serious about your air frying, this is the one to beat. It's not just about cooking, it's about transforming the way you prepare meals. The Philips Premium Air Fryer XXL is the ultimate kitchen companion for those who want to go big or go home. Next up, we've got the Ninja Foodie 6-in-1 2-basket air fryer. This one's for the multitaskers, the ones who want it all. With 2 separate cooking zones, you can cook 2 different things at the same time, at different temperatures. Chicken and chips? No problem. Fish and veggies? Done. This machine is a bloody workhorse, and it's got all the bells and whistles you could ask for. It's like having 2 air fryers for the price of 1, and it's about time someone invented this. Now, for you tech-savvy chefs out there, we've got the COSOR Smart Wi-Fi Air Fryer. This bad boy connects to your phone so you can control it from anywhere in the house. Preheat your air fryer while you're still at work, or adjust the temperature without even getting off the sofa. It's like having a personal chef at your beck and call, except it won't answer back. And with its sleek design and user-friendly interface, this air fryer is as stylish as it is functional. Chapter 4. Instant Vortex plus Air Fryer Oven, the Swiss Army knife of cooking. Listen up, you donkey. This is not just any kitchen gadget, it's a game changer. The Instant Vortex plus Air Fryer Oven is more than just an air fryer. It's a versatile powerhouse that can transform your cooking experience. This multifunctional marvel can roast, bake, broil, dehydrate, and even reheat your leftovers. Imagine having the ability to cook a full meal with just one appliance. It's like having a whole kitchen in one appliance. Say goodbye to cluttered countertops and hello to simplicity and efficiency. And don't worry, you won't need a degree in rocket science to figure it out. The control panel is user-friendly and intuitive, making it accessible for everyone. The Instant Vortex Plus is surprisingly easy to use, even for the most kitchen-challenged individuals. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner, you'll find it a breeze to operate. If you're looking for versatility and convenience, this is the air fryer for you. It's perfect for busy families, singles, and anyone who loves good food without the hassle. Chapter 5. Chefman Turbo Fry 3.6-quart air fryer. Small but mighty. Don't let the compact size fool you. The Chefman Turbo Fry 3.6-quart air fryer is a little powerhouse. Despite its small footprint, it packs a punch when it comes to performance and versatility. This is the perfect air fryer for small kitchens, apartments, or anyone who's short on counter space. Its sleek design ensures it fits seamlessly into any modern kitchen setup without taking up too much room. But don't think for a minute that it compromises on performance. With its rapid air technology, it cooks food evenly and quickly, ensuring you get that perfect crisp every time. The Chefman Turbo Fry delivers crispy, delicious results, all at an affordable price. Whether you're making fries, chicken wings, or even desserts, this air fryer handles it all with ease. It's proof that good things come in small packages. Its user-friendly interface and adjustable temperature control make it a breeze to use, even for those who aren't kitchen savvy. This one's for the students, the singletons, and anyone on a budget. It's an ideal choice for those who want to enjoy healthy, home-cooked meals without breaking the bank or sacrificing space. Chapter 6. GoWi USA 8-in-1 Digital Air Fryer, your personal sous chef. The GoWi USA 8-in-1 Digital Air Fryer is here to make your life easier. With 8 preset cooking programs, you can cook everything from fries to fish to cake with just the touch of a button. No more guessing games, no more undercooked disasters. This air fryer takes all the guesswork out of cooking, leaving you free to focus on more important things, like enjoying your delicious food. It's like having a personal sous chef minus the attitude. Chapter 7. Cuisinart A60 Convection Toaster Oven Air Fryer, 2 birds, 1 stone. Last but not least, we have the Cuisinart A60 Convection Toaster Oven Air Fryer. This is the ultimate kitchen companion, combining the functionality of a toaster oven with the power of an air fryer. Toast your bread, bake a pizza, or air fry some chicken wings, all in one appliance. It's a space saver, a time saver, and a recipe for culinary success. Cuisinart's known for quality, and this one doesn't disappoint. It's an investment, but it's one you won't regret. The choice is yours. So there you have it. You lot, the top 7 air fryers of 2025. From compact powerhouses to multifunctional marvels, there's an air fryer out there for everyone. Now stop making excuses and get air frying. Remember, a good cook is always learning, always experimenting, and always striving for perfection. Now get out there and cook something amazing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more great content. Let us know in the comments which air fryer you're excited to try.